Welcome back, everybody. In today's project I'm building school desks because school starts this coming Monday. And so in the process of school starting, I'm building some basic desks from a guy on YouTube that's great. He had great plans for a simple desk that was easy to build. Let me see if I can find him. The Wood Whisperer. So shout out to the Wood Whisperer for this design. It's the basic version. He has another version that interlays the wood, but I don't have the table saw to do that. So basic it is. Okay, I tweaked the plans a little bit to make it a bigger version. He has the plans for this smaller one, which is, I believe, 16 inches deep on top by 2 foot across. And when I built it, I'm like, my oldest being I'm just getting water out of the pool. Heathens. There's a reason we call our 3 boys the Rowdy Rough Boys, because they get into everything. See if you can watch this. They are over there getting water out of the pool to make mud. Make mud! Oh well, they're having a good fun though. So I'm going to be making one more of this bigger version, which I increased the size to 2 feet by 2 feet on top, 2 feet legs instead of the 16 foot legs, 20-inch. Well, those are legs, so I did 28 inches on the legs. I did 2 feet on the feet, then 2 foot by 2 foot on the top with a 5-inch riser, so I could put some crates that my work was disposing of in there. So the smaller one will be for Corbin because it's just the right height for him, and the bigger ones will be for Skylar and Davin. So we got one more to crank out.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I won't get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't spend, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no broken potion. You're not just chosen, it takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
So, went ahead, took care of the sanding on these 3 desks because that had just been boring. Ended up what I was doing, ended up rounding the edges. Already got a layer of the stain on, and I need to do a couple more layers of the staining, and then they should be just a quick dry after that, and all complete. So let's get that done.